subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Xiaomi has finally launched 3 new smartphones under Mi 10 series in the Europe called Mi 10T, Mi 10T Pro and Mi 10T Lite. Among these 3, the Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite is the most affordable phone under this series with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate, and it has a large 20:9 aspect ratio. The phone is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on both the sides. Under the hood, the smartphone is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G chipset paired with Adreno 619 GPU. As per the storage, the device packs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage. In terms of camera, the Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite supports a quad camera setup on the rear under the circular module at the top center, including LED flash. The quad rear camera includes a 64MP main camera with Sony IMX682 sensor plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The quad rear cameras of the phone are capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on MIUI 12 skin on top. The device comes equipped by 4820 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.38 by 76.8 by 9mm and it weighs around 214.5 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite has been priced in the Europe for 6GB plus 64GB storage variant at €279, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at €329. The smartphone will go on sale in the country starting from October 14th in Atlantic Blue, Rose Gold Beige and Pearl Grey color options. So, what do you guys think of this Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.